Hey, what's up everyone? Today after watching a couple of ninja movies, I realized that you can use this innocent looking cards as a weapon. Well, I don't have any idea of using them as a weapon, but then I will try to replicate the way they throw the cards on objects and try to hit this little duck as many times I can and possibly make some damages to this. And I started to throw the cards continuously towards the camera because that was my target, but it was not hitting because I was not using any good technique to throw the cards, and I realized that the card also was at fault. These cards you can't actually use them because these are made of paper and then they have a lot of bends and really old card. I actually need to buy some new card, and I got some new card, the playing cards. These are actually plastic cards, really stiff, and they can travel real long distance. Try to use this instead of this. So after a while I realized the way I was holding the card and throwing was wrong. Actually I was using this. I was actually throwing like this and throwing this. Then I realized that you will have to hold your card with your two fingers like a scissor, hold it here, leave a gap here, hold it really tight, and then release it like this, flick it like this. So this is how we do it. This is the poor little duck might have thought, why am I not hitting the target? So I hit around, out of 52 times, I hit around 5 times. I need to improve this to 10 times. Let's just try. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. So basically I think I hit 10 targets and half the card is still in my hand. I think now I am ready for this. So I started around 11 in the morning. Now it is around 1:30. I might have to practice more. Let's do it. Finally, I'm done with one it is. I mean, like, it took almost 11, 12, 1, 1:30. So around 2.5 hours and I'm done with one. But there is pretty much of damage on the apple. This is actually not apple, this is actually pears. So there are pretty much of damage, but then I got my first one. Let's try for 3 consecutively. So since I was successful in hitting once, so I'll just give you a break and then show you a new trick that I learned. So I'll try to hit the card, and this card will go from here inside this, and come out from the other side. So that is the trick. I'll just show you. See this. That is what I was talking about. I'll show you the game.
One eternity later.
So done. So this wasn't that difficult, I can't say. It was actually pretty difficult. You can see me sweating. Now the time is around 2 o'clock, so almost around 3 hours I spent. I learned, so I can say I learned maybe in 3 hours. So, and this trick, the other trick also that I just showed you, I did that in between. So I'll try to hit one more shot of this and then I'll let you know. So let that be. Just second one in a row. Third one in a row consecutively. So I'm actually done with this card throw. I've actually hit the target and met my goals of hitting 3 consecutive shots, and whatever I do from now is just for fun. I'm actually trying to throw the card as far as I can from one building to another building just to see how far I can throw. So I've come to the terrace now, and here we are trying this. So since most of the cards are broken now, so you can see some of the cards are actually broken. So these cards I will not be able to use it. So I'll just see how far these cards can travel. So you can see the distance here. Yes. Yes. It touched the building. Yes. That is a target. So we are done for the day. See you on a new day with a new skill. See ya.